India celebrates its 69th Republic Day, a grand parade held at Rajpath in nation's capital. Republic Day celebrated across Manipur. The main event was held at the historic Kangla. Republic Day Consulate General of India located at Mandalay, the former capital of Myanmar. MPCC observes the 103rd birth anniversary of freedom fighter Rani Gaidanlu at Congress Bhavan. And home team Neroka FC to lock horns with Minerva Punjab FC tomorrow. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. And I'm Victoria Rajkumari with the top stories and the latest news at this hour. First up, the nation celebrates its 69th Republic Day today. The main function was organized at the Rajpath in the national capital, where President Ram Nath Kovind took the salute of the parade. Under the custom to host a leader of a foreign country as the chief guest at the parade this year, for the first time, leaders of the 10 Asian countries were the chief guest. Earlier, Prime Minister Narendra Modi and the 3 service chiefs paid tributes to soldiers at the Amar Jawan Jyoti at India Gate by laying wreaths. Tableau of 14 states and 9 central ministries participated in the parade, showcasing varied themes starting from countries' rich cultural heritage, flora and fauna, and socio-economic development to progress of the nation. 18 children selected for the National Bravery Award 2017 also participated in the parade. A newly raised all-women bikers contingent of the Border Security Force made its debut on Rajpath. The 27-member BSF Women Daredevils received cheers as they showcased their stunts and acrobatics on their bullet motorcycles. At the end, there was a spectacular flypast by the Indian Air Force. The flypast commenced with the Rudra formation comprising 3 ALH Mk4 WSI helicopters in Vic formation, followed by Hercules formation comprising 3 C-130J Super Hercules aircraft in Vic formation. The flypast concluded with another Su-30 Mki carrying out a vertical Charlie maneuver over the saluting dais. Manipur celebrated the 69th Republic Day amid the boycott called by various underground outfits. Celebration of the day were held in several district headquarters. The main event was held at the Kangla with Governor Dr. Najma Heptullah as the chief guest. The governor inspected the Guard of Honor commanded by Assistant Commandant of 8th Indian Reserve Battalion CDO Vidyapati Thingbajam and unfurled the tricolor flag. She took the salute of the march past. Governor of Manipur on this auspicious day also presented gallantry awards to Sub-Inspector M. Ravindro and Havaldar A. Santi, Fire Service Medal for Distinguished Service to Sub-Officer Ajit Singh Seram, Correctional Service Medal for Meritorious Service to Head Warder T. Sarat, Warder T. Okendro, Warder M. Dijen, Warder M. Shyam, and Home Minister's Medal for Excellence in Police Training to K.H. Chudamani Singh. Commandant of 7th Manipur Rifles Achin Haukif commanded the parade. 77 contingents from various schools and colleges, ex-servicemen, civil police, central forces, paramilitary, fire service, Home Guard and NCC, Bharat Scout, disabled persons participated in the parade. 17 tableaux from different state departments were also displayed at the celebration. The march past started from 1st Manipur Rifles Parade Ground, went through Kangla Fort, gave the grand salute at Saluting Base Kangla and ended at the 1st Manipur Rifles Parade Ground. Chief Minister Nongtoma Biren, Deputy Chief Minister Yumnam Joy Kumar, Speaker Yumnam Khemchan, Council of Ministers, Leader of Oppositional Political Party Okram Ibobi, MLAs, Chief Secretary, DGP and top-ranking officials of different departments attended the celebration.
मणिपुर प्रस्तुत कर रहे हैं माइवी जगोई। माइवी जगोई यानी माइवी नृत्य द्वारा देवी देवताओं के गांव की उन्नति के विकास हेतु बनाए जाते हैं। पेश हैं अपने पारंपरिक नृत्य आपके सामने प्रस्तुत कर रहे हैं। नृत्य का है गानवा या रोमई जाति के अन्य कसम फुलेन कल्चरल कमिटी कामसोंग डिस्ट्रिक्ट के
The dance depicts cutting of wood
द्वारा प्रस्तुत यह कार्यक्रम
दीनदयाल उपाध्याय अंत्योदय योजना से बढ़ाओ बेटी पढ़ाओ हर वो out of the total area 22,327 and works which includes plantation of horticultural crops. The Family Welfare Department are implementing its insurance scheme transport, smart urban mobility, smart wedge management, tourism, Tungda Celtic based on the Changsilakli Basi. Next, the tableau of the Information Technology Department. This department under implementation.
Art and Culture Minister Langpo Lakpama Jayant Kumar asserted that mere floral tributes paid to the freedom fighter Rani Gaidinlu is not enough, but we should put into action her ideology of a unified Manipur. Jayant Kumar made the statement at the observance of the 103rd birthday anniversary of the Rani Gaidinlu, organized by Kabui Mothers Association of Manipur at Haipai Rani Gaidinlu Memorial Complex near Manipur High Court Complex today. He said Rani Gaidinlu's bravery in fighting the mighty British should not be forgotten. The minister maintained that we should also abide her message of love and harmonious coexistence. He lauded Rani Gaidinlu for her great personality and for the trust she had garnered for the people as a leader. He called on the people to make the memorial complex a site of inspiration for unity among the people of both the hills and the valley. MLA Tamelong, Samuel Jendai and many leaders of civil society organizations were present at the event.
Kaidovagidamukta Rani Gaidinlu magi religion gi magi philosophy gi laiba makle Manipur gi damukta note is adana nungsina tana charo morong na tana imung manung oibagi amuksu nuksinaba amuksu khanaba si mayam si marak sidi lamiba mayam singse British ki silaiba makal gi western side domni silaiba nuksituna khogi laiba makal historical background loina mang butalaga puginaba gi hunginaba gi pije chakcheta wakhan khokalla adagi laiba makal gi hiram khudi makta madu puna hona bakande racist tawni haten thorak pa makal gi pot madu ki philosophical ideas and masakun hauchuk se kobum thok te engale aduna tamatare di kai kandoruni koina silamsu procure tok doino kaidobugi dong da koina muti sagadoino.
Many people came out in the streets to witness the Republic Day celebration despite the ban imposed by various organizations in the state today. Many people were seen waiting by Imphal Post Traffic Island in front of Governor's Gate, western part of the Kangla, front portion of the MG Avenue, Kuyathong Traffic Island and a northern side of the Kangla Gate in North AOC to witness the March Past Parade. Large number of women and children in the crowd was an encouragement for the many contingents and dance troops taking part in the parade. Compared to last year, many people came out to witness the celebration this year. Personnel of state and central paramilitary force continue keeping a strict security vigil.
School is present on his placing the course. Kabul Lamzao National Park ta chakta du na leiba sangai na thon ba amang ta da ya gu ki san da ya da ko lam sin
China TV na command to riba pumanga subab school e Imphal ki contingent ni
Manipur's highest and the biggest Indian tricolored flag was hoisted and unfurled by Chief Minister Nongthoma Biren on Republic Day today. The Chief Minister hoisted the 20 feet long and 30 feet wide Indian tricolored flag at the height of 100 feet in connection with the Republic Day celebration at Imphal International Airport today. The Airport Authority of India and CISF organized the ceremony upon intimation by the Civil Aviation Ministry at Imphal International Airport Complex. Speaking in the event, Biren called on the people of the state to cooperate, love and unite with one another. The Chief Minister also said a similar flag will be unfurled at the new Civil Secretariat.
ये एकता भारत का यूनिटी स्ट्रेंथ इसको बढ़ा रखने के लिए हम एक साथ होके जीना, एक साथ होके एक दूसरे को मदद करना जरूरी है। ये तिरंगा हम तो ये लगता है कि ऑल नॉर्थ ईस्ट में तो यही सबसे बड़ा तिरंगा होगा। इसका सिमिलर अपने नया इनॉग्रेट करने वाले न्यू सेक्रेटरीट बिल्डिंग के लिए, ऑफिस के लिए एक हम भी ले लेंगे।
Addressing media persons after hoisting the flag, Chief Minister Biren appreciated the people of the state, security personnel and authority concerned for ensuring a peaceful and smooth conduct of the Republic Day celebration in the state, stating that both the government at the state and the centre are wide open to receive them for any discussion. Biren appealed to all outlawed organizations who have boycotted at the Republic celebration to come forward to reach an agreement. He calls on the organization for a political dialogue to resolve all kinds of issues.
I really thanks to the people of Manipur for cooperating. Unwanted accident doesn't took place these times. It is because of all the support from the people's masses, and I thanks the security forces for having alert and preventing from such incidents. I appreciate all the concerns for allowing us to celebrate the Republic Day peacefully. India government is always ready for talk, and as a state governments hate and the machineries, we can coordinate, and we are ready to welcome any kind of peace dialogue, all kind of enmity, all kind of fighting, all kind of misunderstanding. The solution is only the dialogue. I appeal on this occasion to the people, those who are against the celebration of the Republic Day, please come forward. The state government is wholeheartedly waiting for the political dialogue. Whatever the situation might be, we will convey to the central government, and we will initiate to bring a political amicable solution.
Chief Minister Nongthoma Biren asserted that the younger generation has a significant role in deciding the fate of the country. Biren made the statement during his Board of Thanks address at the 1st Manipur Rifles ground after the Republic Day parade today. The Chief Minister, in his speech to the contingent and people gathered at the event, reiterated that his government is making all-out efforts to bring love and harmony among different communities living in the state. He maintained that the government is also giving a due consideration to enhance various sectors like the education, water and power supply, health, etc. Biren further warned the DCs, SDOs, SDCs and other officials of stringent action if they are absent from their posting places. Chief Minister Biren also disclosed that order has been issued to DCs and SPs of every district to destroy all opium and cannabis plants in the respective districts to prevent their abuses and negative impacts by March this year.
Zaki amagi marakta oirabasu natragana kulai paidana ningbat undadana benda sakraba silinau singi maraktasu oirabasu asi sarkar ki maigedi ge koi yam thamoi se nabil dawjari madudi mon manadaba khenaba nungainadaba leiba punama benda leiba punama unaraga wari saraga awana pa menaraga melkhataraga solution borokuduna amatu ogalami hoigani se sarkar ki asi thamoi se hona jariba mayam dampa hona jariba onage na khaliba mayam su biraga political solution political dialogue tamonaba ai ngasi ge sumba Republic Day gi nemit chi kudong sablo mayam da ai powder visioning.
The 69th Republic Day of India is also celebrated at Consulate General of India located at Mandalay, the former capital of Myanmar. The celebration was marked by Consulate General Nandan Singh Baisora unfurling of tri-colored flag of India. Women football players of Manipur and business delegates led by YAS Minister Lepao Haukip, MLA Y Surchandra, MLA P. Brojan and convener of Act East Policy Manipur RK Sivachandra took part at the celebration. The Consulate General welcomed the contingent and appealed to the Indian at Mandalay to witness the football match with Saigon team on January 27th with Mandalay team on January 28th. The speech of the President of India in connection to Republic Day was read out again in Hindi and English on the occasion.
Akoi match ama sanaba laksabasida India ki Bharat ki Republic Day yawa phangbasi laiba am phabane na haijage Bharat Sarkar ki wakhallon da naknaba neighboring countries singsiga nungsi chanana leminaba haibagi potta akoi ki Sumba angang singe akoi football match sing asi silak panina neighboring countries sing amaga nungsina chanana lemina bagi wakalon da lakchabani.
Sports Director of Mandalay Yu Myong Mint Ong and other officials and Indians residing in Mandalay took part at the event. Minister Lepao, MLA Surchandra, MLA Brojan, RK Sivachandra and Consulate General Nandan presented gifts to the participants of songs and dances performance at the event. Two Manipuris are working as a consulate and assistant consulate at the Consulate General of India in Mandalay. Consulate R. Ramthao and Assistant Consulate Sumanta Sharma asserted that the two football matches between Manipuri women football team and women football team of Saigon and Mandalay and the 2 days business meet will enhance the harmonious relationship between India and Myanmar. As a part of the Manipuri delegated to Mandalay, Impact News editor Raj Nongthombam presents you an exclusive interview with the two consulate.
Manipur ki content jenam hai tare ne football ki as well as business ki amala ise sigi matang da sida karma makal ki kah tare expectation hai tare Mandalay da gi natraga koi Myanmar ki site leyin khan bi
expectation na je mayam country amaga relation pagarpa Manipur chokarpa Mandalay chokarpa mayam lon chokal lagadi wakan nungai lagadi chokarpa oire
sagaing amadi Mandalay team animaka 27-28 the sanrani sigi football match ado du matung da 29-30 the pangthoko triba business meet hai tare sidagi koina expect to ya base both Myanmar as well as Manipur na to ya base kaine khan bi maru especially Manipur
okay India ki locus policy ado matu follow toroga si propose tawne program che ado Manipur ga Myanmar se immediate neighbors hoibina ado da economic intercourse increase away and khale through this
economic intercourse hai anis man exchange ka hai na henglak na bagi expect tonari aduga maruina sanagadriba exhibition football match ani amadi business midasina soidna hairiba thammeba pandamasigi Maikai Rom da yamna yang na madi smooth junction bo oipni habagi wakalunda this is Raj Nongthombam signing out from CGI Mandalay.
High Court of Manipur also observed the 69th Republic Day at its auditorium at Mantri Pukhi today. Even though the High Court celebrates Republic Day every year, it celebrated the day along with differently abled children from different schools and students from different schools for the first time this year. Speaking to Impact News, Acting Chief Justice of High Court of Manipur and Koteshwar said, the High Court celebrated the day with the children as a legal authority witness that differently abled children and children at children's homes do not participate much at public functions. Children showcased different performances at the event, and also the Republic Day celebration at Rajpath was live streamed and shown to the children on the occasion.
Legal Service Authority na sum children home, blind home, atay leba mayam si sum interact tau kanda mohina sum yeng kanda sum ba khoi gi public function se participate tau dabagi ubadu da High Court ki 26 January dam function to win hoi lakpa pambra noi akoi yam pami lakchage akoi perform su khara taujage have madu yam phare very good idea there is an occasion they feel very nice madu gi wakhalon do taurga akoi na handaki hanan boina 26 January ki function sida angang myam si invite tauraga ngasi pangthok chabani.
The 69th Republic Day celebration was also held in various places of Technopole district today. The day was observed at headquarters of the district in More and 11th Assam Rifles Camp. District Administration Technopole organized the celebration at Technopole Government High School ground in Technopole district headquarters. DC Technopole KH Raghumani hoisted the national flag to mark the day. Additional Deputy Commissioner More also observed today at his office. SP Technopole Dr. S. Ibomcha, CEO Nectar 12 Assam Rifles, other government officials and many people attended the event. Additional Deputy Commissioner More and Bankim unfurled the national flag to mark the day at the event. SDPO Lawrence Ken Munlo, DSP Krishna Tombi, OC of More Commando, P. Tarun Kumar and top government officials of the subdivision were among those present at the event. The Republic Day was also celebrated by 11th Assam Rifle posted in More. The 11th Assam Rifle held the celebration at the helipad of the post. Commandant of Myanmar Infantry, officials of Myanmar Civil Administration were also present on the occasion. Various contingents paraded to mark the celebration.
Prize between these three
The day was also celebrated at the District Administration Imphal East District, Porompat. Speaking on the occasion, Deputy Commissioner DC T.H. Chitra Devi, IAS Imphal East District said, the day marks a date on which India's constitution came into effect. She said, this is the first time that the day is celebrated in a full-fledged manner in the district since 1997. She said, earlier the celebration is marked by the SP of the district unfurling a ceremonial flag. She also acknowledged all the contingent of March past who have participated in the parade. The parade showcased cultural and ethnic diversity. A customary gun salute was also given during the program and commendation certificates were also distributed.
Imphal East District Asina, Sok Lising among Samapan Maudra Taret, 1997 da, Hek District Asina Nikalakpadagi, Sahi Kun, Helabasi, Nasi Pawada, Quena Aina, Kanzabada, Republic Day Asi, Suknatagi, SP Imphal East Saitagi, contingent Amana, Guard of Honor Piraga, ceremonial Oiva unfurling of the flag Tauraga, Taubanatana, Nasi Pawada, Nasigi, Sumna, Mass Force Contingent Mayam, Amadi Cultural Troop Nachimba, Amadi Teblona Simba present Tautuna, Achova Mass Force Contingent Ama District Oina, Sinbasi Ahan Bani, Haina Ai, Tambada Land, the Brahan.
A team of Jennings Hospital officials distributed gifts to the ward patient as a part of Republic Day observance today. The team led by Jennings Director Professor T.H. Bhimo was accompanied by Medical Superintendent Dr. L. Ranbir, Nursing Superintendent P. Landhoni. The director appeals to the patient's support in keeping the hospital neat and clean.
angang pokpui singdana angang macha singdu phajana immunization tika thaduna masa mau phana phajana lehanba anaba singna hospital da leiba matamda yari makai hospital ji luna na thamna ba honaba amasung doctor amadi nursing da aikoi phajana piendaba khotaba si maron mari phawdoknaraga phajana understanding leina hospital ji chawkhatnaba honabada masi full cooperation PBO na dugumagi message duga loinana ngasigi thauramase tawjabani.
Thoubal District Administration also celebrated the 69th Republic Day under strict security measures at the mini secretariat complex today. Deputy Commissioner L. Navakishore hoisted the tricolor Indian national flag and received a salute of the parade participated by 34. Sub-Divisional Police Officer of Thoubal District Police, MPS Amarjit Lamabam commanded the parade. Speaking on the occasion, DCL Navakishore said that Thoubal District has excelled in every field. He said, though the district faced a lot of inconveniences and hardship due to frequent flash floods, the administrator extended every possible help. He said, one-stop center and a family court have been established in the district under the initiative of BJP-led government, and Kasturba Gandhi Balika Vidyalaya and a Panchayat Resource Center have also been set up under SSA. Awards were distributed to the top contingents and cultural troops on the occasion. 121 staff of different departments in the district who discharged their duty with excellence were also honored with appreciation certificates. District Administration Chandel District also celebrated Republic Day at Chandel headquarters. Speaking in the celebration held at Maha Union Higher Secondary School ground, DC, Kiran Kumar inspected the Guard of Honor and hoisted the tricolor flag of India. Deputy Commandant of 8 Manipur Rifles commanded the parade. 16 contingent participated in the parade. Deputy Commissioner of Bishnupur District Pawan Yadav during asserted that the administration targets to make Bishnupur an open defecation-free district by the end of March. He was speaking at the Republic Day celebration organized by the district administration held at the mini stadium ground today. Different cultural groups showcased their performances and certificates were distributed to those who performed their duties well. SP Jogesh Chandra and other civil and police officers attended the celebration.
On this occasion, I would like to compliment our police forces as well as army for maintaining a law and order in the district. They have to provide better amenities and opportunities to our people in villages to ensure a decent quality of life. We have to work harder to provide safety and security to our women and children. Women must be able to live their lives with honor and dignity. Children must be able to enjoy their childhood to the fullest. We aim to achieve open defecation-free district by 31st March 2018.
Kangpopi District also celebrated the 69th Republic Day at its headquarters at Gamnom Sapar Maina. Sub-Divisional Officer of Saitu Gambazol, MCS Dr. N. Johnson Meite was the chief guest of the celebration. Sub-Inspector of Gamnom Sapar Maina Police Station, Lal Gulen received. Sports material were also distributed to local clubs and schools on the occasion. As a part of security measures conducted in connection with the Republic Day celebration, a team of commando arrested a cadre of outlawed United Peoples of Kangleipat UPK gang organization from Arapti area in Lilong Bazar around 2:15 yesterday afternoon. The arrested cadre is identified as Muhammad Azizur Rahman, aged 19 years, son of Muhammad Fazur Rahman from Lilong Nungai Kongban. A mobile phone was also seized from him. He was handed over to Lilong Police Station for further investigation. Senior publicity officer of underground outfit Melee in a press release clarified that Asaibam Ningol Chingakham Ongbi Inaubi Lema, aged 41 years, wife of Sihej Sham Kishore, who was arrested by Imphal West Police along with a mobile phone and a 20,000 cash from Andro Parking, has no connection whatsoever with the party. It's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you reports on 18-hour statewide ban called by Corcom against Republic Day celebration. We'll be back with the details after the break. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. You're watching Primetime English News. The 18 hours ban called by Corcom, Maoist Communist Party Manipur, Kangleipa Communist Party Military Joint Committee and National Revolutionary Front Manipur affected daily life in the state today. Two of the biggest markets in the state, Pauna Bazaar and Thangal Bazaar, bore a deserted look. All shops were closed and the business transaction came to a standstill. Ima Kaitel, however, saw a thin crowd today. The ban was called against India's Republic Day celebration by various underground outfits in the state. Normal life was also affected due to total shutdown in Thoubal district in response to the boycott called by various underground outfits in connection with the 69th Republic Day celebration. Major markets of Thoubal district headquarters, namely Thoubal Kaithel, Wangjing Kaithel and Yaripok Kaithel, were in total shutdown. No vehicles piled on National Highway 102, Imphal More Road, passing through the district. No untoward incidents were reported due to the ban. The 103rd birth anniversary of Rani Gaidinglu, the great women freedom fighter of the state who fought gallantly against the British, was observed today. The birth anniversary observance was organized by Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC at Congress Bhavan, BT Road. People offered floral tributes at the portrait of Rani Gaidinglu on the occasion. Freedom fighter Rani Gaidinglu was born in Nungkau village of Tamilong district on January 26, 1915. Gaidinglu was imprisoned in 14 different jails for her involvement in the India's freedom movement against the British. The first Prime Minister of India, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, conferred her the title of Rani in reverence for her contributions and gallantry in fighting against the British. Rani Gaidinglu, who took a major role in trying to unite and promote the Jalangrong community, was honored with the Padma Bhushan Award in 1982. She passed away on February 17, 1993 at her birthplace at Nungkau village. Taking part in the event, former Chief Minister of Manipur, Okram Ibobi, stated that we are fortunate and proud that Rani Gaidinglu is one from among us. Former Deputy Chief Minister Gai Khangam, Congress MLA and MPCC officials were present at the event. Bhairab Nolini Foundation, Brahmapur Aribam Laikai extended help to Government Idol Blink School at Takiala today. The foundation donated food and clothing items to the teaching faculty and students during a simple event held at the school. Forest Minister Thaunacham Shyamkumar stated that a written request was submitted to Manipur Police, Assam Rifles, BSF and to other office of the security forces deployed in the state last May to assist the Forest Department in their efforts to curb illegal forest raids in the state. The minister made the statement during a press meet held at his official residence in Kanglapad today. He loaded 26 Assam rifles posted at Thoubal, seizing 16 trucks loaded with trees illegally obtained forest coming from More at the wee hours of January 24th. Shyamkumar lamented that though a joint forest management committee was set up under his initiative, it is yet able to stop all such illegal forest raids. He is unhappy to hear news related to seizing of forest products still appearing in local dailies. He asserted that constructive suggestion given in time will combat the issue. He appealed to all, especially people in Hill District, to destroy intoxicant plants like poppy and instead plant fruits bearing trees and other plants to boost the economy.
Border state Manipur si border ne, Nagaland ki border ne, Assam ki border ne, Mizoram ki border ne, the Myanmar ki border ne. Using the Yalakanda, Makwena, Kwegi, Assam Lomda, Pusan Giba. The using Yalakanda, Jesami Pusan Giba. I don't know, Manipur labor, Maruena, Assam Polda, Amadi, BSF, Indian Army, Manipur Police, Akwena Hokum Meda, Forest Department, C. Matwakanda, Haimiamsi, Poliski, Watermark Yauba, Watermark si Tipido, Watermark Yaubosi. We the Maka Quena Pabiu, Masi President by Mating Pambi, and Mating Pangala, Makunaso. Some departments at Tariba have a Saman, young to have Tabaxida, Quiggy negative Peter. Welcome to we, and we hand up Papa Quiggy, Michael Pehenning.
Inspector General of Police John to Manipur Police El Kailun appealed for people's support in the police initiative to stop the armed underground outfits from kidnapping individuals for ransom. Speaking to media persons at City Police Station, Kailung said a case was registered at Saparmaina Police Station that unidentified armed individuals suspected to belong to some underground outfit abducted two employees of Hindustan Construction Corporation Limited (HCC) in the intervening night of January 18 and 19 from Kangchup area. He said that a combined team of Kangpopi Police, Imphal West Police and Churachandpur Police conducted a cordon search operation in connection to the case at different areas. Kailun said Churachandpur Police was able to assist Commander-in-Chief of the underground outfit KNF-MC along with the two head cadres of the outfit on January 24th. The arrested cadres are identified as Sonkojin Kipjin, Elias Hegin, Elias Gin, Elias Kennedy, Elias Joshua, aged 43 years, son of Lethokolong Kipjin from Phaikot, Tuibong, and Namkolen Kipjin, Elias Lelen, Elias Joel, aged 45 years, son of Kaikholan Kipjin from K. Mogzol, Kangpokpi, and currently settled at Renkai, Churachandpur. IGP Kailun said victims have been rescued during a rescue operation at Phailenkot Hill Range in Morbung area. However, the kidnappers fled.
This kind of activities, kidnapping for ransom, is a crime which does not require support from the public. Rather, the public should support the police department in curbing these activities. And only with the support of the public, we will be able to contain this menace. Unless we contain and control this kidnapping for ransom, we will be lagging behind in developmental activities.
Tourist Sajin Palak Park, constructed around a Waitho path, a source of income for the people residing around the area, is in deplorable condition. If the tourist home is not maintained at the earliest, there are apprehensions that it might become a haven for many unwanted conduct. Though the state government is putting all-out efforts to promote the tourism sector in the state, less consideration is given to the Waitho tourism home. The tourism home, renovated around 7 years ago, is deteriorating due to lack of adequate infrastructures and regular maintenance. Caretaker of the tourist home, T.H. Basanta, told Impact News that MLA Kerau El Rameshwar appointed him as a caretaker of the tourist home around 7 years ago. He said, due to lack of fencing around the home in his absence, people utilized the home for holding feasts and many other undesirable conducts took place. Basanta shared his plight in looking after the homes due to lack of proper infrastructures like water and power supply. He stated that though MLA Rameshwar made arrangement for power supply, however, proper electric wires are not fitted as yet. He opined that the state's revenue will be enhanced to an extent if adequate infrastructures and enough staff are provided for the 10-room in the tourist home. Basanta drew the attention of the MLA and authority concerned to look into the matter to enhance tourist attraction in the area.
Information degi chakhaiba degi lairiba moliba degi glass nung thugai biramba sumbasijo ai tohan janingde adegi lakpiraga ju laiba koi lamkoiba lakpiba mayamna mafam asida phajana yengbiyo mafam asigi phajaba manungda lairiba bed nung phajana masi phajana mai sing phajana semka chaka piwaragadi koi gi tourism department jo koi income ji khar soidan ki state ki hoina khar karakadra na koi waithok turi somji koi gi anova karai ba koi government sina amtang ni sengkapiu haibase ai request tawjari.
Now the sports news. The home team Neroka FC will lock horns with Minerva Punjab FC in an I-League match at 2 in the afternoon at Kumal Lampak Men's Stadium tomorrow. Speaking to media person ahead of the match at Hotel Classic Ground today, head coach of Neroka FC, Gift Rai Khan, said even though the team was defeated by Shillong Lajong FC in the previous match, the team will give their best to win tomorrow's match and try to earn 3 points. On the other hand, head coach of Minerva Punjab FC, Wangkem Kojan, said the players of the team will be more confident as they won 3 consecutive matches of the I-League. It may be mentioned that Neroka FC won a 6 match, was drawn in 3 matches and defeated in 2 matches and is in the second position of the point table of the league with 21 points from 11 matches, while Minerva FC is leading the point table with 22 points.
Football si kaba po bani adursu kabani yami bani na hojikti akoi da asa am chauna leiri haingi match akoi kana bakan honagani Minerva Punjab na first position ni moina point kuni thoini akoi ge Neroka Manipur na point kunma thoini aduna second tari hoi moi match mapan khata sana dangai ri adursu moi match to yam aru match khatani aduna inganda bida akoi kana honaraga akoi Manipur babok mayam na lan khiba aduga akoi kadaba last match to kauthoga mayam pulap sagat minaraga akoi mayam hoi lauraga namna koi kana ba khona sena aina appeal tawjare
kagani habigi koi thajai then we khoi advantage ma sulai sida kyungi koi yam lep means we getting a lot of rest between the first previous match and this match Neroka gi di within 12 days I think 3-4 matches sana bagi moi the recovery gi kitang with drawback like do male madu gi advantage kuna phang football is the field the thok thodo ngatani adu ba khoi gi wakhan da di koi na point hum lauraga sigi league ki turning point ji wai gi ne na kal.
A single bench of Justice K.H. Nobin of High Court of Manipur issued an order to come to a solution regarding the complexity between the two state hockey associations by January 22nd. High Court of Manipur in a press release said it has intimated Registrar of Society to change the name and memorandum of existing Manipur Hockey within stipulated time of 3 months. The order from the High Court Manipur was issued after a petition was filed before High Court of Manipur that in the presence of Manipur Hockey established jointly by Manipur Hockey Association and Manipur Women Hockey Association, another association under the same name, Manipur Hockey, became active. The court in a press release said that it has also informed the authority concerned to take appropriate steps for the betterment and promotion of the particular sports. In a 4-day-long struggle among 8 school teams for the first Singhat Junior Inter-School Football League trophy, which concluded on 26 January 2018, Hill Model High School Singnat beat Standard High School Singnat by 4-0 and became the champion team. The tournament was organized by 2 Assam Rifles and 2nd Assam Rifles of 27 Sector Assam Rifles under 57 Mountain Division in collaboration with Singnat Football Club in connection with India's 69th Republic Day. The beginning of the 2 days event was marked by Commandant of 2nd Assam Rifle hoisting the tricolor. 3 teams from Singhat, 2 teams from Behan and 1 team from Songdo took part in the event. And before we wrap up, let's take a look at the headlines once again. India celebrates the 69th Republic Day, a grand parade held at Rajpath in nation's capital. Republic Day celebrated across Manipur. The men's event was held at the historic Kangla. Republic Day celebrated at Consulate General of India located at Mandalay, the former capital of Myanmar. MPCC observes the 103rd birth anniversary of freedom fighter Rani Gaidinlu at Congress Bhavan. And home team Neroka FC to lock horns with Minerva Punjab FC tomorrow.